Making schiacciata con l'uva. So first we're gonna begin with 5 cups of flour. So 1, 2, 4. Next we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of yeast, which is a packet of yeast. Now we're gonna add a teaspoon of salt. A teaspoon of salt. And 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Next, we're going to slowly add 1 cup and 3/4 cup of warm water, adding only portions of a time and mixing while pouring. Now we're going to knead the dough together for about 5 minutes. After you finish kneading the dough, you put 2 tablespoons more of the oil into your bowl. And then you take your dough and you roll it around in your bowl. After that is done, you're going to take a piece of clear wrap and you're going to cover it and let it rise for at least an hour. So now that our dough has risen, we're going to take it and we're going to cut it in half. And we're going to place 1/2 at the bottom of our pan and spread it out to all the edges. Now we have a 1/4 cup of olive oil, and we're going to just drizzle half of that over the dough. Next, we're going to take our blueberries. We're going to put half of our blueberries on top of it. Okay, next we have our 3/4 cups of sugar, and we're gonna just sprinkle half of that over our blueberries. Next, we're gonna take our rosemary, in which we have 3 tablespoons of rosemary, but we're only gonna put half of that. So 1.5 tablespoons of rosemary. Sprinkle that over. Now we're gonna take the second half of our dough, and we're gonna lay it over our top half. Stretch it over. Next, we're gonna drizzle the rest of our oil over. And put the rest of our blueberries on top of it. And then we're gonna just pour the rest of our sugar on top. Now we're gonna put it in the oven on 375 degrees. And we're gonna let it bake for 45 minutes. After it has baked for 45 minutes, we let it cool. And when we cut it, so it looks like And this will be your schiacciata con uva, also known as a sweet version of focaccia.